In the ever-evolving world of digital advertising, finding the right platform to maximize your revenue or reach your target audience can be really challenging. Whether you're a publisher looking to monetize your website traffic or an advertiser searching for high-converting placements, HilltopAds is a versatile solution. This review here examines HilltopAds offerings in greater detail. We explore its features, pros and cons, user experience, so that you can decide if it's the right fit for your monetization or advertising goals. So what exactly is HilltopAds if you're not fully familiar? Well, they are a global ad network that connects publishers with advertisers through various performance-based advertising formats. Established to provide high-quality, monetizable traffic and streamlined campaign management, it has become a go-to platform for those seeking a balance between revenue generation and ad performance. HilltopAds caters to desktop and mobile audiences and offers tools designed to optimize conversions and maximize ROI. Its offerings include formats such as pop-unders, push notifications, video ads, and native banners, each tailored to different user behaviors and verticals. The company promotes itself as an ad tech partner prioritizing transparency, automation, and anti-fraud protection. Very important. So whether you're running a small niche site or managing a high traffic content platform, HilltopAds will provide you with monetization opportunities that include minimum fuss and competitive payouts. Now, in terms of features, HilltopAds is a robust advertising network tailored to meet the needs of both publishers and advertisers. Its feature-rich platform is designed to maximize revenue, enhance targeting precision, and ensure ease of use across different digital environments. So here are some of the tools and capabilities that really make it stand out. So first off is diverse ad formats. So HilltopAds offers various high converting ad formats to cater to different types of web traffic and content strategies. These formats are optimized for visibility, engagement, and monetization. Next are pop-under ads. So these ads open behind the main browser window and remain unnoticed until the user closes the primary page, offering excellent visibility without disrupting the user experience. And then we have in-page notifications. So this ad format looks like push notifications on a website. It's delivered directly to the user's devices after they visit your site and offers a high opt-in rate and strong re-engagement potential. And then we have video VAS, which is basically a pre-roll. So these ads play an ad video in a player on your site before the main video. They're obviously, ideal for engaging audiences and delivering high CPM rates. Also, video sliders. So whether in-stream or out-stream, video ads help publishers monetize video content while providing advertisers with a visually compelling format to tell their brand stories. And also display banners. So standard and responsive banner ads are available in multiple sizes to suit a wide range of placements from mobile to desktop. So let's talk about advanced targeting tools. So precision targeting is at the core of HilltopAds' value proposition. Advertisers have access to a suite of granular targeting options that allow them to reach the right audience at the right time. So starting out, geolocation. So you can target users by country, region, city, or zip code. Also device type. So choose between mobile, desktop, tablet, or all of them. Also the operating system and browser. You can optimize campaigns for specific platforms like Android, iOS, Chrome, Firefox, and more. And then we have IP and carrier targeting. So you can reach audiences based on IP ranges or mobile carriers, which enhances the targeting. And then frequency capping and day parting. So you can control how often users see your ads and schedule ad delivery during the most effective hours of the day. So these tools, they empower advertisers to maximize ROI by ensuring their message reaches only the most relevant segments. Next, let's get into real-time statistics. So transparency and performance tracking are critical for campaign success. So HilltopAds provides live analytics that enables publishers and advertisers to track key performance metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and revenue. With real-time data updates, users can swiftly adjust their strategies and budgets for better outcomes and higher efficiency. This next one's really important for you publishers out there. They also have anti-ad block technology. So ad blockers can significantly reduce publishers' earnings. HilltopAds tackles this challenge head on with integrated anti-ad block technology in their own platform, which detects and bypasses common ad blocking software. This ensures that publishers can continue to monetize their traffic effectively, even from users who have installed ad blockers. And then flexible payment methods, right? So HilltopAds is known for its fast and reliable payouts, accommodating a variety of financial preferences. So Bitcoin, which is ideal for those who prefer cryptocurrency payments, Paxum, which is widely used by affiliates and publishers globally, web money, which is really popular in Eastern Europe and CIS countries. Also wire transfer, so suitable for larger payments and corporate accounts. And then USDT and other cryptocurrencies as well, so adding flexibility with stablecoins and altcoins. Now, payments are made every Tuesday, and the platform maintains a low minimum withdrawal threshold of just $20, making it accessible for new and smaller publishers and high volume partners as well. So for publishers that are looking to monetize their traffic quickly and efficiently, HilltopAds offers a streamlined experience designed to reduce friction and maximize earnings. Now, signing up as a publisher is really simple and requires only basic information. So most accounts are approved swiftly, often within 24 hours or so, allowing users to begin monetizing with minimal delay. And also a very user-friendly dashboard. The publisher dashboard is clean, intuitive, and rich with data. It provides real-time stats on impressions, clicks, earnings, and performance by geo, device, and ad format. This makes it easy to assess what's actually working and to adjust your placements accordingly. Now, getting started, the platform has a really intuitive onboarding process that I've gone through myself, and it makes it super easy for you to get started depending on your traffic source. So website, social traffic, or mobile app. And from a monetization perspective, publishers can choose from a wide variety of ad formats that best suit their audience and content. So whether you prefer less intrusive options like native ads or high yield formats like pop-under ads, there's flexibility to experiment and optimize as you wish. Now, in terms of coverage and fill rates, HilltopAds boasts high fill rates across all geos, including Tier 1 and Tier 2 countries. This global reach allows publishers with international traffic to maximize their earning potential regardless of their audience's location. And frankly, their rates are competitive and they have timely payments. So CPM and CPC rates are generally competitive, though they can vary depending on your niche, geography, and traffic quality. So HilltopAds, they will pay its publishers weekly, and the multiple payment options provide convenience for users worldwide, which is huge. Now, overall, HilltopAds really stands out in the ad space for its timely payouts. This is a critical feature for publishers who want consistent and reliable revenue. Now, from an advertiser experience, HilltopAds provides advertisers with a performance-driven environment where campaign management, targeting precision, and traffic quality are all prioritized. So whether you're promoting a product, a service, or a content offer, the platform is designed to support scalable data-led campaigns. And it's really simple to set up a campaign. So advertisers can create and launch campaigns really quickly via the self-serve dashboard. Setup process is really straightforward with step-by-step guidance on selecting ad formats, uploading creatives, and defining your targeting parameters. They also offer a variety of campaign options that are tailored to meet the needs of advertisers across all different industries and countries. Now, with multiple ad formats, it allows advertisers to choose what best suits their marketing goals, and campaigns can be finely targeted based on factors like geolocation, device type, browser, and operating system, which enables precise audience reach. Additionally, HilltopAds provides real-time statistics and performance tracking, so advertisers can monitor and optimize their campaigns on the go. Now, with competitive pricing models like CPM and CPC, HilltopAds ensures that campaigns are both cost-effective and impactful. Now, in terms of the targeting options, they're granular, so campaigns can be tailored using a wide range of filters, including country and region, device and operating system, browser and language, mobile carrier, IP, and ASN targeting as well. Now, from a frequency caps and scheduling perspective, this level of control really allows advertisers to reach their ideal audience while avoiding unnecessary spend. And in terms of budget flexibility, HilltopAds accommodates a range of advertising budgets, making it accessible for both small marketers and large-scale media buyers. So whatever you are, you'll still fit in. And bidding options are customizable too, with support for CPM, CPA, and CPC models. Now, advertisers can monitor impressions, clicks, conversions, and spend in real time. So this immediate feedback is vital for identifying profitable segments, eliminating poor performing traffic, and really scaling winning campaigns. Now, in terms of conversion tracking, the platform itself supports multiple conversion tracking methods, including postback URLs and pixel-based tracking. So this ensures accurate attribution and helps advertisers optimize for ROI and their CPA goals. Next, let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons. So every ad network has its strengths and limitations, and HilltopAds is no exception. So here is a balanced summary to kind of help you weigh out whether it fits your needs, right? So from a pro's perspective, it's fast and easy to set up. So quick registration, intuitive dashboards for both publishers and advertisers. Also, diverse ad formats. So a wide selection, including pop-under, push, native, and video ads. We also have the global traffic coverage. So high fill rates across most geographies is a big deal. And then the flexible payments. So multiple methods, including crypto, which is huge, with low minimum withdrawal thresholds as well. And you can't forget about the real-time analytics. So they have comprehensive tracking and performance data updated live. And then lastly, the ad block tech, which helps publishers recover lost revenue from ad blocking users. So now we get that out of the way, we got to talk about the cons. So there's mixed traffic quality. So as with many open networks, right, some traffic sources may require filtering. Also limited ad format customization, so less control over ad appearance compared to some premium networks that are out there. The support response time, that varies. So while generally they are helpful, some users will report occasional delays as well. Now the real question is HilltopAds legit? So when evaluating any ad network, especially lesser known platforms, it's natural to really question, their legitimacy. Well, fortunately, HilltopAds has established itself as a credible player in the digital advertising space. So the industry reputation, HilltopAds, they've been operating for several years and maintain a visible online presence through its website, blog, and industry events. It's often mentioned in forums and communities that are focused on affiliate marketing and programmatic advertising, where it receives a mix of feedback generally skewed positive. Now, in terms of user feedback that I could find, so publisher and advertising reviews, they suggest that the platform generally delivers on its core promises of fast onboarding, reliable payments, and usable targeting tools. Some users do cite inconsistent traffic quality or customer support delays, but just accusations of total scam, it's not really out there very much. And like I said, I've looked it over myself, used it myself, and I like it myself. Now, one of the biggest things I wanted to see out there was payment proof, right? I've gotten payments myself, but I have others. So multiple users across blogs and forums have publicly shared payment proofs, often showing on-time withdrawals with Bitcoin, Paxum, or a bank transfer. So this adds, obviously, credibility to the platform's payments practices. Now, from a trust perspective, while HilltopAds, they may not yet enjoy the household recognition of bigger networks like Google AdSense or Ezoic, right? It demonstrates operational transparency and adherence to standard practices in ad tech. And they also employ the anti-fraud systems, which will help protect you from low quality or bot traffic. So the verdict with everything from my own experience and everything I've seen is there's really no evidence to suggest that HilltopAds is a scam. While user experiences, they may vary, right, especially depending on your niche and traffic quality, the platform does operate legitimately and pays as promised. So HilltopAds presents a compelling option for both publishers and advertisers that are seeking a flexible, feature-rich ad network. Its broad selection of ad formats, real-time analytics, and global traffic coverage make it a versatile tool capable of fitting many monetization and marketing strategies. Publishers benefit from quick approval, multiple payment options, including those cryptocurrencies, and the ability to monetize diverse traffic types. And advertisers, they appreciate the detailed targeting options, the campaign customization, and the transparent reporting that help optimize spend and ROI. So while the network does have some drawbacks, such as mixed traffic quality and limited ad customization, these are really pretty common challenges among many open ad networks anyway. So for those that are willing to put in some effort to filter their traffic and optimize their campaigns, HilltopAds can be a very profitable platform. That said, who should consider it, right? So publishers who are looking for a straightforward way to monetize global traffic, especially with formats like pop-unders and push notifications. Now, advertisers who are aiming for scalable campaigns with granular targeting and flexible budgets, that works too. And then marketers and webmasters who prioritize weekly payments and a variety of withdrawal methods as well. But overall, HilltopAds is a legitimate, reliable, and user-friendly network worth exploring as part of your monetization or advertising toolkit if you have a site. And by the way, at any time in this review, if you want to get started with HilltopAds and actually create an account, just go ahead and click right up here or check out the link in the description. That'll just get you right up to the sign up page and you can begin as quickly as possible.